What's up guys, my name is Matt Downs and welcome to Trick 10s. This is going to be one of my how-to videos. I'm going to keep these videos very short and sweet and to the point, very informative. I've spent my entire life on the water and I'm going to show you some how-to stuff. Today's video is going to be about how to flush your boat motor. There are two ways to flush your boat motor. Obviously you have your original earmuff tile, your garden hose connection here, and you slide this over to gear casing. But these newer motors also come with these attachments for the garden hose. Now I've heard a lot of people say that they're not as good as running the motor with the muffs, but in the owner's manual it tells you this is the way to flush your boat. If you want your warranty to be valid, I would do what's in your owner's manual. It's very simple. You have an attachment on the side here, turn it counterclockwise, pulls out. There's a garden hose attachment onto it. Some of them have a quick connect. You can add a quick connect to this if you'd like to. Just thread it right onto your standard garden hose. Turn the hose on. Takes a couple seconds and the water will start peeing out of your telltale. It's recommended to let this run for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you're finished, simply repeat the process in reverse. Remove your connection, attach the piece back on, push it in, turn it clockwise. You'll feel it stop when it locks into place. Chances are, if your motor is 10 to 15 years old, it doesn't have the hose attachment. So you'll be using these standard muffs. This is a traditional way. Same way you attach this to the hose connection, you're going to attach it to these muffs. You're going to slide it right over these water intake holes on the lower gear casing. Make sure it seats good on both sides. Then all you got to do is turn the hose on, start the motor. Recommended run time of 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so as you can see, when this boat is being trailered, it has a transom saver on it. After you do this process and run the water through your engine, you need to take this off and drop the engine all the way down. This is a very important step because what happens is all of this area right here will be full of water. And if you let that water sit in there over the winter, it has the potential to freeze and crack your lower gear casing. It's very simple. After you trailer your boat, you take this off. This is only for trailering. Trim your motor up a little bit. Remove this and drop it all the way down. Obviously, make sure your keel isn't going to hit the ground. You can see all this extra water running out of here. You want to keep it stored in this position. That way all the water will run out of it and rainwater won't build up in here over time. I have seen a lot of motors that have had cracked gear casings right behind the propeller shaft due to the fact that they left the engine tilted up and they filled up with rainwater and froze over the winter. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button and I'll see you next time. You expect to see a lot more of these quick how-to videos on my channel. Appreciate it.